I don't know how to start these because this is like my new. I'm new at this. I think I'm supposed to show off my arms, right? Ah, yeah. Oh wait, is that coming across? It's not. Okay, maybe I should start working out. All right, take take two. I need to do an intro to my YouTube channel, right? Whoa, that's a glare on my hand. I'm so white. Anyway, I'm new at YouTube. I've been dreaming about doing YouTube for, I don't know, 12 years since I first uploaded some videos. I'm pretty sure I'm the only person on the internet to ever delete a YouTube video because if you might know, I created a Orc Hunter remix song. It was pretty epic. Um, but when I posted it on YouTube, I was unable to handle the critiquing comments of my fellow WoW players. Uh, and so I deleted it. And I didn't just delete it off of YouTube. I like deleted it off my computer and I deleted the lyrics and I deleted everything because I was like, I just can't handle this internet fame, right? But that was 12 years ago, and I think it's time to get into internet fame. So here we go. This is my channel. I don't know what I'm gonna do besides just be me. I'm a developer. I'm a dad. I'm a comedian. I'm not a comedian. My mom says I'm a comedian, so that labels me a comedian, right? I want to learn how to edit stuff. I want to learn how to edit video. I want to play video games. I want to raise my daughters to be better than me at certain shit in life. I curse too much, so I'm sorry about that. Maybe I'll edit that out in videos. Maybe I won't. I don't know. I can't stop looking at myself in this screen. Maybe I should look at the camera instead. I don't know. All right, I'm back. This is take number three. I turned the lights on. I don't know. I thought it was cool to sit in the dark, but now I'm like, ah, fuck. I was like super too shadowy. I mean, too blurry. So if I put my hand up, it was like glaring. Anyway, I probably who's wearing a headset when they do YouTube videos? Nobody. Everybody's got a cool microphone. But the problem is, I try to set up microphones. I try to do that. I try to do this. I try to do. Oh, fuck, got another one down here. I got to try to do this guy. This guy right here. I don't. None of them could work. So I'm just using my headset. So this YouTube channel is going to be about me just stumbling through all this shit to learn how to do this. Um, and I wish I started 12 years ago. So instead of just continuing to wish I did it, I'm going to do it. Here it is. Thanks for stopping by. P.S. I'm also having trouble with the lights, as you could tell, so I turned them on. I don't know what I'm doing. I, any comments or tips or tricks of yourself would be great. Obviously, I consume YouTube, and I keep looking at myself. I need to look at this camera, right? I need to look at my audience, and I need to say, hey, thanks for coming by, right? Thank you. You. Hey, you there. I keep looking at myself. All right.